Menteri Badai Peit Yakatanat Pule Puthi Rakkam Sangma ni kasingi baar ula ong ba udap da kajing lengo banyo I bahaka result jong ka Eksam Civil Services umdon Iwei ru naki Samla Meghalaya ki pakpas. Habakran sekilar pathai Khubor Menteri ula ong ba kane kajing ja kalong ka pasngausi bana ka jela Meghalaya umdon Satya mentau snem ki papas. Uang ru ba kane kajing ja kala penkendet bat kalong ru kum kajing penkendet benriau ya baro bat lesi kedon kadau halor kajing bam la jo ki Samla ka jela pan pas ya kane ka Eksam.
Civil service, examination, like the results just come out, and none of the Meghalayans has been come out again this year. So this is a matter of concern, and in 50 years, it's very unfortunate. But like there may be a reason where we have left behind. So I think this is a wake up call for the governance, for the institutions, for the academicians, for the young people of Meghalaya. We still believe the Meghalaya students, we are second to nobody. But however, what is happening, the trend is very grim for us. If Meghalaya fail to produce civil service candidates in their future, it will be a dark future for the state. Therefore, I think I would request the young, brilliant people of our state, the children's young people. I think, like our thinking, I think we should have a self motivation. Maybe the curriculum, the syllabus, the institution, the quality of our institution, the quality of our teachings might be the issue. But here, to me, the minds of our young people not well connected with the national standard, both physically and mentally. So I think as students, as institutions, our students must get connected well with the national and the international standard, both physically as well as mentally prepared to face the challenges. Because the entrance examination, like the national level, right? I don't know where we have went wrong, but I think it's time to reignite ourselves. That I'm second to nobody, and we should have reignite ourselves. This is what I feel.